Let's create a new design and import a floor plan to build on. From the dashboard, click Create New Project. Choose Start Blank Project for an empty canvas, or Create Room by Dimensions to pick a shape and set your measurements. Give your project a name, choose your units, and hit Create Project. Now open the Background tab on the left, click Select a File, or simply drag and drop your image onto the canvas. JPG, PNG, and single-page PDF are supported. A scaling window opens automatically. You'll see two draggable circles connected by a blue line. Place them along a known distance like a full wall. Zoom in for precision, type in the real measurement, and confirm. Your plan loads at low opacity in grayscale, already locked in place. Switch to the Drawing Tools tab and select the Walls tool to start tracing right on top of your image. Draw your exterior walls first, then interior partitions. Add doors and windows where they belong. Refine your layout progressively. You can always come back and adjust. Back in the Background tab, fine-tune how the plan appears. Slide the opacity up or down depending on what you need. Toggle grayscale on or off, adjust the rotation, and choose whether to display it in 2D, 3D, or both. Once you're done tracing, simply hide it. From a blank project to a walkable 3D space, that's how fast it goes.